Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change image pixels to inches in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then zoom out the document. We can see here our image. Now we want to change the measurement unit of image. Go to the file menu, select the option menu, then go to the advanced and go some down and select the ruler unit drop down menu and choose inches, then click OK. Then select the image and go to the picture format menu and check the height and width. We can see the height and width is on inch. You can resize the image. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.